Hey everyone, welcome back to today's Best Deals Today. We're excited to review the electric cheese grater, a versatile kitchen appliance that makes cooking easier and faster. Meet the electric cheese grater, a powerful and easy-to-use appliance that can slice, chop, grate, or shred your favorite ingredients. With its 250W motor, you can make breadcrumbs, slice cheese, and even make French fries. This 6-in-1 electric cheese grater comes with 6 interchangeable stainless steel blades, including thick wire, thin wire, slice, wavy, grinding, and extra coarse julienne slicing blades. The upgraded blades make it perfect for making a variety of dishes. The electric cheese grater is easy to operate, with a one-button control and enlarged inlet and outlet for efficient food processing. The detachable attachments are also easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. Whether you're making a salad, grating cheese, or slicing vegetables, this electric cheese grater is a great addition to any kitchen. It's perfect for home cooks and professional chefs alike. The electric cheese grater is also easy to clean, with a base that can be wiped down with a damp cloth and detachable attachments that can be washed with water. Get yours now and start making cooking easier and faster. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Make your favorite dishes with the electric cheese grater. Order now and enjoy the convenience of easy cooking. With the electric cheese grater, you'll be able to prepare a variety of dishes quickly and easily. It's a great addition to any kitchen and a perfect gift for any home cook.